Hey, what's up guys? Breaking news. We have the first official look of the Huawei Mate 40. These leaks are coming from the one of the best leaks on the planet Earth, as Huawei is having issue with the United States, but they still managed to have the great groundbreaking sales. Now this is the time for the second wave of smartphone war. Samsung going to launch its Galaxy Note 20 Ultra on August 5th, and Huawei has launched its official spec sheet of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Now Huawei Mate 40 is going to bring with the biggest camera bump of all time. This is the one of the most amazing thing about Huawei. And honestly speaking, I cannot wait to try this. It is a 108 megapixel of the main camera. In Huawei P40 family, they are still rocking with the 52 megapixel of the main camera. That was quite amazing, and in this smartphone they are now bringing even bigger and better megapixel count in their new flagship device. With this they will bring optical brilliance, and people working inside Huawei has now announced that they are now going to bring 9-pin lens combo, and it will improve image quality. And if we talk about the Huawei Mate 40, it is going to come 50 megapixel of main camera, 60 megapixel ultra wide and 3x optical zoom. As far as the Huawei Mate 40 Pro, it might feature the quad camera setup, 50 megapixel of the free lens that is supposed to take care of the image distortion that comes with the ultra wide lens, and hopefully it will bring the better image quality. And definitely this phone is going to bring a lot of upgrade with it, and there is a periscope lens that is going to bring 7 to 10x of optical zoom with it. At the front, both of them could have bang to house the front facing camera. The Pro version is here to going to come with 32 megapixel of the front camera, and standard one is going to come with 24 megapixel of the front facing camera. And if we talk about screen size, it's going to come with 6.4 inches of quad HD OLED display, and this display is not going to come from LG or BOE, it is going to come straight from Huawei. And this display doesn't seem to have any type of display notch whatsoever for selfie camera. This device may likely use under display camera design instead, and this phone could make Huawei the world's first smartphone manufacturer with going to come with under screen camera setup. And this phone is going to come with Huawei Mate 30's waterfall design, will rocking with the 90Hz of refresh rate, and Huawei Mate 40 will be the only flagship device that will rocking 5nm Kirin 120 SoC flagship processor. At first I was thinking how is that possible, but after doing bunch of research I found that initial information said that the ban affect only future orders, not those that are already placed by Huawei. And honestly speaking, Huawei has played a great move here. I think that Huawei could make the fastest chipset in an Android world, but I didn't believe that it will ever manage to beat the Apple A14 chipset, because Apple is the best in making chipset. Tell me about your thoughts about the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro in the comment section down below. And if we talk about the charging setup of the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro, the standard version is going to come with 40 watt of wired charging, 27 watt of wireless charging, while the Pro variant is going to support with 66 watt of wired charging and 40 watt of wireless charging. Both of the devices will run EMUI 11 on top of Android without Google Play services due to US ban, with App Gallery and other software filling the gap. I hope that within 2 to 3 years the App Gallery will be able to stand in front of the Google Play services. This is it for this video. I hope that you will like this review about Huawei Mate 40. If you like this review, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Catch you next one.